Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete YouTube search history. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your YouTube app. From here, tap on Profile on the top right. Now select your data in YouTube. Once you're here, scroll down to YouTube search history. Here you will be able to see your recent search history. Now scroll to the bottom and select Manage your YouTube search history. From here, if you scroll down, you will get to see all your search histories. You can delete individual search history if you want. Just tap on the cancel icon beside the one that you want to delete. And then just confirm. This way you can delete individual search histories as many as you want. You can also delete everything at once. Just tap on delete on the top and select the time for which you want to delete. Select the one that you want and then just delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.